are trying to win on YouTube, you're really, really trying, and you're listening to this advice from YouTube gurus, and it's really bad advice, and they are telling you these 3 things, and it is really, really hurting your channel. Your channel is not growing, and you aren't getting any views. Number 1, crap advice. You are the niche. Number 2, subscriber for subscriber, sub for sub. Number 3, quality over quantity. Let me explain. Number 1, you are the niche. They tell you you are the niche. So as a small YouTuber, you think, okay, I'm going to post 1,000 different videos on really random things. I'm going to post about gardening, then I'm going to post about fashion, then I'm going to post about coding on one channel. And because I am the niche, my video is going to perform well. People are going to come and watch my content because, it's my personality. So they're going to love me. And you post all this different content, right? Thinking you are the niche because that's what they told you. And you hardly get any views. Why? Because you don't have a specific audience, and your audience doesn't understand what they can get from your content. They may be coming to your content because they thought that your channel was all about fitness, right? Because they saw that you did a fitness video. And then the next time they come to your channel, they see that you are actually talking about sewing. So they are really, really confused. And they aren't going to watch the sewing video because they aren't interested in that. They came for fitness. Niches win on YouTube. Having a niche is really helpful for you because it enables you to focus your efforts on a particular thing, which leads to a stronger brand identity. So people know you for this particular topic. For example, if your YouTube channel is about swimming, right? Swimming for beginners, etc., and you are showing people how to learn how to swim, and people know, okay, I want to learn how to swim. I need to go to this YouTube channel because this person teaches people like myself about how to swim. So I, as your audience, know what to expect from your YouTube channel. I know that when I go to your YouTube channel, I'm going to see content that I like because I'm interested in swimming. And that's what your channel is all about. But when you constantly have so many different topics on your YouTube channel, it becomes really confusing for your audience. Now, if you only want YouTube as a hobby, go ahead. You're not interested in views, etc. Go ahead. And you don't have to have a niche. But if you are seeing YouTube as a business, if you see it as a place that you can actually get money through your YouTube channel, etc., then having a specific niche can also attract your specific audience and your specific customers. For example, if your YouTube channel is about how you actually create websites, and you know that you want to also have leads for potential clients so that you can create their websites for them, and you see YouTube as a business, having this niche is going to help you to get those leads for those clients who actually are going to contact you so that you can build their website for them. But if you have your YouTube channel, which is about building websites, and then you also have videos about boxing and how you like boxing, it's going to be very confusing once again. Especially when you're starting, it's better to stick with the niche and then grow. But when you think of all the popular YouTubers, the ones that are really successful on YouTube, they are known for a particular thing. The second piece of bad advice is sub for sub, which means subscriber for subscriber. So just say I see a channel, YouTube channel, and I go to that YouTube channel and I subscribe simply so that channel can then subscribe to my channel, and I'm not interested in their content and they aren't interested in my content, but we are doing sub for sub simply because we want to increase the number of subscribers that we have, right? Now, this is actually against YouTube's policy. So do not do sub for sub, subscribe for subscriber. You may think it's an easy way to get subs, but firstly, it's against YouTube's policy. And secondly, think about it. Think about it carefully. When a person subscribes to your YouTube channel simply for the sake of you are then going to subscribe to their YouTube channel, right? Then you aren't going to watch their videos because you only subscribed for the sake of them then subscribing. Then you only subscribe because you know they are going to subscribe to your YouTube channel. And when they put out YouTube videos, you aren't going to watch their content. They aren't going to watch your content. So when you have subscribers, you actually want them to watch your content. And that's a good indicator to the algorithm that your subscribers are watching your content. But when your subscribers are not watching your content, that message is now that your content isn't good. So that isn't actually the case. For subscriber, it actually hurts your channel instead of helping your channel. So don't do sub for subs. I mean, who wants dead subs, dead subscribers, dead in the sense that they aren't actually actively watching your content? It's like if your own subscribers aren't going to watch your content, then who will? So genuinely get your subscribers the right way by providing value for your viewer. Number 3, bad advice. Number 3, quality over quantity. Now, hear me out. Okay, I know that we all want to have really high quality videos. Yes, absolutely. But the thing is, when you are starting off on YouTube, you don't even really understand what a quality video is yet. You're still learning. And how do you learn best? You learn by creating videos and improving every video as you go along. So having quantity of videos, especially as a beginner YouTuber, then leads to quality videos. So whenever somebody says, make sure you produce the best video that you can possibly produce and then only publish it. But you are still learning about how to talk on camera. You are still learning about editing. You are still learning about hooks. You are still learning about these 4 other things, which are topic, what topic to choose to make sure that you have a total addressable market, a large enough market to watch your video. You are learning about titles, what title to actually select so that people are interested in that title, what thumbnail to use to attract your audience's attention to make sure that that thumbnail looks great on a mobile phone as well. You are also learning about the hooks, right, to grab your audience's attention in the first 10 seconds, and delivery, using storytelling in your YouTube videos to engage your audience. Now, this takes time. If you have to wait to create like the best video that you can possibly create, it'll take you months to learn how to do that. So instead, focus on actually putting yourself out there in those videos. Publish a video at least once a week, because firstly, you have to get over your fear of being on camera. That in itself takes a great deal of time. I look back at this channel of mine and I see my first video versus this video, or even my more recent videos. I have become better over time. The quality of my videos have shifted over time. Now, if I kept on procrastinating and thinking I only have to publish videos that are of a really high quality, then I probably wouldn't have published any videos yet. So really focus on learning. Focus on learning about all these various things. Focus on having a strategy, right? A YouTube strategy, and you aren't going to get that on day one. But focus on understanding who your audience is, because once you understand who your audience is, you then understand what content to create for them. You can actually understand your audience by looking at your analytics. It tells you the demographic of your audience in your analytics section. And then you may say, Kish, by the way, I'm Kish, hello. It's lovely to have you here. And then you think, okay, content calendar. I need to have a content calendar. Now, why do you need to have a content calendar? Because your content calendar tells you all your ideas for your upcoming videos. So you know, okay, I should record a video next week about this topic. So you aren't guessing. It helps you to keep consistent and to improve every video. Please just don't be consistent for the sake of being consistent, because that isn't going to work. Be consistent, but also improve every video. Look, I'm not saying that YouTube gurus are horrible. No, not at all. But I am saying that sometimes you may think that with YouTube, you are going to win from day one. And you may think that YouTube is just fast wins, quick wins, right? And then you may just feel terrible about yourself because you aren't winning on YouTube. But the reality is that it really does take time to learn about YouTube, about what works and what doesn't work. And it takes time to actually gain confidence by even just being on camera, by even just being able to use your voice effectively in your videos and to use storytelling, which I always say I'm still learning about storytelling. So I'm Kish, I'm a 42-year-old YouTuber, and this is my full-time thing. And it's difficult to be a full-time YouTuber. I feel privileged to be a full-time YouTuber, but there's also a great deal of stress. On this channel, I have published 76 YouTube videos and I have a whopping 77 subscribers. So it takes time to grow your YouTube channel. And understanding your analytics is such a big part of learning about YouTube, because you can understand what videos are performing well and what videos aren't doing that well. So double down on the videos that are performing well. Watch this video where I chat about my analytics in depth, and have a wonderful week.